The new MotoGP season is about to get underway under the lights in Qatar. In this video we will take a look at the KTM teams and their bikes and riders and try to give some idea of what we can expect from them in the 2022 championship. In total in 2022 there will be 12 teams on the grid, each running 2 bikes and 2 riders, so a very healthy grid of 24 riders and all of them should be on competitive machinery. Hello and welcome to Moto Chatter, let's dive into the details. Last season, KTM fell short of the promise shown by a stellar 2020 season, where they took a number of wins and podiums. Factory riders Brad Binder and Miguel Oliveira were able to take a win apiece and Oliveira a couple of podiums in 2021, but after 2020, this was still below their own expectations. 2021 was the team's first year without concessions, meaning they couldn't change the bike or develop it during the season. Prior to this, KTM would often bring new developments to different race weekends. Now they have had to change the way they approach bike development. Instead of making big changes, they are looking to hone and tune what they already have. They have though made a big change in the team, bringing in Francesco Guidotti as their new team manager, luring him away from Pragmac Racing to replace Mike Leitner. This change and their change in approach to bike development may well bring the better results they will be chasing in 2022. Something that hasn't changed is the RedBull paint scheme, but it does look good. The riders are also the same, with Brad Binder still inside his 4-year deal and secure for the 2023 season. Miguel Oliveira though is still to sign for next season, and with a number of fast young riders on KTM contracts, Raul Fernandez and Pedro Acosta among others, he may be looking elsewhere for the coming season. Oliveira already has 3 wins and 5 podiums under his belt in MotoGP, all with KTM, which is more than his teammate. Oliveira has been with KTM for over half his World Championship career, coming close to Moto3 and Moto2 titles with them. His success in MotoGP has made him into a celebrity in his native Portugal, and it would be strange if he was pushed out of his factory seat, but he is sure to be on the list of other teams. Expect a couple of podiums and maybe another win in 2022. Brad Binder seems to be KTM's favoured rider, having already offered him a 4-year contract. He has also been with KTM for most of his World Championship career, taking the Moto3 crown with them and coming second in Moto2 before stepping up to a successful and fast rookie MotoGP campaign in 2020. Entering his 3rd season in 2022, Brad Binder's Achilles heel has been his qualifying position, very often having the pace of the frontrunners but having to battle his way through the field with a late charge to finish in 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th positions. In 2021 he displayed more consistency than in his rookie campaign, finishing 6th overall. If he can start further up the grid on a regular basis, he could change those top 7 finishes into podium finishes. Tech 3 KTM Factory Racing could be in for a stellar season in 2022. They still have the full support of the KTM factory, and although their livery hasn't changed, their rider lineup is arguably the best rookie teammate lineup a team manager could ask for. With 8-time race winner in his one and only rookie season in Moto2, Raul Fernandez, and the eventual Moto2 champion Remy Gardner in his team, Hervé Poncharal is very optimistic for the 2022 season. The team have already taken 2 wins with KTM machinery in 2020, and with the 2 young guns in their saddles may well be expecting more. Raul Fernandez, I think, will certainly be better suited to the bigger bikes. Often having pace but being hindered by his size in Moto3, he then stepped up to Moto2 last season and won 3 more races than the eventual champion to finish 2nd in the series at his first attempt. If not for one of his crashes, he would have comfortably won the title, having finished just 4 points off the more experienced Remy Gardner and championship glory. The ease with which Fernandez got up to speed in Moto2 is something I can't remember seeing since Marc Marquez was in the class. I expect Fernandez to easily take the Rookie of the Year title and would not be surprised to see him on the top step of the MotoGP podium before the season is over. He is young, fast and hungry. The only question is if KTM can secure his signature for next season before one of the other factories does. Remy Gardner worked his way up in the Moto2 series. For me, he was overshadowed by his faster teammate last season, but to finish first you have to finish, and he put together a great season and is a deserved Moto2 champion. I think the bigger backs will also suit him better, but time will tell. If he can get a decent season or 2 under his belt, he could be a podium challenger. He has the potential to win the big title as his father did, making them the first father-son champions. I don't think he will, but I would be happy for him to prove me wrong. But those are my thoughts. What do you think? How do you think these riders will go in the 2022 season, and who is your pick for the Riders' Championship? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this look at the KTM MotoGP teams for 2022. If you did, check out my other videos of the other manufacturers on the grid this season via the links on screen. Remember to subscribe for plenty more motorcycle videos to come, and give the video a thumbs up if you feel like it. But whatever you do, have a great day, and thanks for watching.